This video I'm gonna be customizing a skateboard deck. I already customized my iPad, my Nintendo Switch, and my Hydro Flask. So let's get started. Okay, so before we start, I kinda don't know what to draw, so I'm gonna ask my followers on Instagram to help me out with some ideas. Okay, so while waiting for the responses to come in, let's go ahead and sandpaper the skateboard deck. Sand and finish. Now is the spray paint time. Testing.
Came from the jungle, up in the trees. I got a few tricks up in the sleeve.
Just finished spray painting, now it's time to start sketching. But before we begin, let's check out the responses from Instagram. What the f? So now guys, let's start sketching.
The poison goes through my head, trying to strike me down till I'm dead. Am I better off if I stop? Boy, they got me hot. Love me, hate me, make sure you be the one to catch me down and not lose.
So the sketch is done. Now it's time to transfer it onto the skateboard deck using the crazy graphic technique.
Suck it up from that mouth while I'm working it, earning it. Start me up, spark me up, let's go. So I set myself on fire.
And this came out looking pretty awesome. Okay, it looks a little bit dirty, but it's gonna look way better with some paint on it. Okay, so now it's time to start painting. This is the best part of the whole process, so I do not want to mess it up. So, yeah, paint.
Look, I don't want to cause no problems. I just want to live my life, but I keep on hearing about nonsense. Me and my dons ain't mobsters, but you know when you see imposters, we know how to read them.
Nice.
We know how to read them comments. If you want to talk, let's talk. But around here, make sure you walk and your talk is constant. Hey, I seen it all before. I heard chat that they all adore. 1 week looking like they all aboard. Next day, they don't even walk the walk. I've been here since a bust down.
The desk was getting a little bit dirty, so I had to clean it out real quick.
Took the wife and there's a rotty that speak. Add the spice to calamari, that's me. My advice off the order I seen. Christ alone, he don't promise you.
Just finished the painting and now it's time for the sexy lines.
No problems. I just wanna live my life, but I keep on hearing about nonsense. Me and my dons ain't mobsters, but you know when you see imposters.
Sexy lines.
I'm an assassin up all night, drinking and dancing. Look my way, I'm gonna take you down. I'll be the one that'll take you down.
As always, if you're still watching the video, I just want to say thank you so much. I really appreciate it. You're pretty awesome. Peace out.
I'm not that way.
Okay, just completed the painting. Now it's time to apply some acrylic varnish for some final touch protection.
Big finger on. Oh, look at manicure.
I'm using my room for the acrylic varnish because it's so snowy outside. Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.
Run for cover, I've got a gun and I'm shooting love. Don't panic, it's now or never. I've got your number, I'm just a love automatic.